Alright, so guy has got himself a four-wheeler. Now, my understandings, I'm going to take this motor here and I'm going to place it in this here golf cart. Now, it is electric at the moment. All electric. And I'm going to take that off and I'm going to put a sprocket on there. And we're going to make her drive. And after that's done, I'm going to take all this body off of it and turn her into a miniature trophy truck. And I'll keep you updated on how everything goes. Now, this is going to be exciting. So, I'm Harley, and I'm going to be showing you that you can do this at home. And we're going to put a quad motor inside of a golf cart. Now, it's not going to just be a golf cart. We're going to turn it into a trophy truck. A custom trophy truck. So all the golf cart parts you see on here is going to just disappear. And parts off of this are going to be sacrificed for this project. Any comments? Like, subscribe. And I will see you there.